Hello everyone, today we're gonna discuss about introduction to music composition. A music composition is a harmonious blend of various frequency levels, creating a melodious experience for the listeners. Understanding frequency levels in the music. Low frequencies. Low frequencies create deep, resonant sound in music, adding a sense of richness and warmth. Mid frequencies. Mid frequencies provide clarity and presence, making the music more vibrant and engaging. High frequencies. High frequency bring brilliance and sparkle to the music, adding brightness and earnest to the sound. Components of a music composition. Harmonious elements. Combining melody, rhythm, and harmony to create a seamless music piece. Structural composition. Understanding the arrangements, form, and layout of the musical components. Emotional expression. Conveying feelings and emotions through the musical composition.
Melody and harmony in music. Melody. It's the main tune or theme that is most memorable to the listener. Harmony refers to the simultaneous combination of notes that complement the melody. Rhythm and tempo in music. Rhythm refers to the pattern of sounds and silence in music. Tempo determines the speed or pace of wind instruments like flute and trumpet and melodious tones to the composition. Techniques for creating a music composition. Layering, adding depth and texture to the composition by layering different musical elements. Modulation, gradually changing the key within the piece to create intersect and variety.
Conclusion and final thoughts. 50 plus million music creators. There are 50 million music creators worldwide, each with a unique perspective on composition. Genres. Music spans across 17,000 music, showcasing the diverse nature of composition. Music generation using LSTM networks has emerged as a powerful technique in music composition applications. The project showcases an implementation of music generator leveraging deep learning algorithms and LSTM architecture. The primary focus is on ability to learn the patterns and structure of music sequences. Real-time music generation is a dynamic and evolving field in music composition. Music generation is the process of creating music typically through algorithms and models that can. This has led to the development of sophisticated music generation models that can compose music in various styles and genres. Humans have an innate ability to create and appreciate music, making music generation a natural and intuitive process. With advancement of deep learning and LSTM networks, computers can be now trained on to generate music composition.
Background. In recent years, advancements in deep learning, particularly with LSTM networks, have transformed the field of music composition, allowing machines to create original music compositions. Music generation with LSTM networks involves training models on large datasets of music sequences to learn the intricate patterns and structure of music. This capability finds application in various domains, including music production, entertainment, and creative arts. This shift has revolutionized music generation, enabling system to automatically learn complex patterns and structure from music data. Role of deep learning of object detection. Deep learning has played a crucial role in advancing music generation, surpassing traditional methods. Long short-term memory (LSTM) networks have proven effective in automatically learning intricate musical patterns, leading to improved composition quality and versatility.
The purpose to demonstrate the practical implementation of the music generation using LSTM networks, focusing on the leveraging deep learning techniques and libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. LSTM networks, a type of recurrent neural network, are chosen for their ability to capture long-term dependencies in music sequence, making them ideal for generating coherent and expressive musical compositions. The project aims to showcase the seamless integration of LSTM network into music composition application, highlighting their effectiveness in learning musical patterns and structures. By providing a framework for training and generating music sequence, the project enables users to explore the creative potential of the deep learning in music composition. The code's purpose includes offering users customization options to adapt the implementation to their specific music preferences and styles. Users can adjust parameters such as dataset selection, model architecture.
The scope of a music generation using LSTM networks project is extensive, covering different focus of music generation and practical application. The project primary focus on utilizing LSTM networks, deep learning techniques to compose the original music plays with a minimal human intervention. Music generation algorithm. The core of a project center of the implementation of a LSTM networks. For music generation, LSTM networks are a types of recurrent neural networks and renowned for a learning sequential pattern in a data, making them ideals of a generation music sequence. The using LSTM networks ensure the creation of coherent and expressive musical compositions and log generation with a timestamps. A notable feature of a project logging in a mechanism that records in a generation of music sequence and timestamps. This is logged in a mechanism provides the chronicle record when a specific musical elements of the generated in a usable scenarios with a temporal information about a music composition is essential. Conclusion: the deep learning based on music generation has been significant and resource focused in a recent years. This project is explored in a generic music generations and pipelines that serves in a foundation architecture for other related tasks by the leveraging this approach in a common learning and data efficient trading processing of the music which can be lead in a variation of a generation music additionally focused in a generate music repository. This is a challenge in a project demonstrate that a music generation in context of the music generation LSTM networks acts in a combination both pattern in a recognition